Children's Department at the Riverhead Free Library, and today we're going to do a DIY plush pillow. So in your grab and go bag, you should have 2 pieces of the felt. It could be the heart, or you might have the red ovals that look like this. You should have batting, which is the stuffing, right? You should have yarn, some form of ribbon I put in. I mean, you can always switch this out. Like I always tell everyone, everyone's project is always different, so it's up to you if you want to use it. And a needle, okay? And also you'll see like you could use, once you have your pillow all put together, if you want to use fabric paint to decorate it, that's fine. It's to each its own. Everyone doesn't like the same thing, so that's up to you. So the first thing that I'm going to do is line up my 2 pieces, right? And this is another thing, like everyone's strategy is a little different. I'm going to put the yarn in my needle, so thread my needle, and then I'll just tie a little knot. I like to double knot it just to make sure that it's in there. Right? And I always start before I put in my batting. So I'm just going to put my needle in and get started. Pull it through, then as I go through one side, I'll come around the other side, the opposite side, and I will keep up that same same pattern. I go in one side and I'll just come through the other side. I find this to be really relaxing. I don't know if I'm the only one, but it's definitely something that's really relaxing. So if you see that you didn't pull your yarn enough, you could just always pull it, no worries. It doesn't mess anything up. Sometimes I have to look at it because I'm like, wait a minute, I want to keep up the same pattern. Okay, so when I'm just about halfway done with it, I am going to then stuff in my batting. Oops. Okay. I put in, I feel like I might have put too much in some. So if it's too much, like it's to your liking, you don't have to fill it all the way. I don't want my pillow to be too big, so I still have this much batting left. So I'm not going to use it all, and that's okay. So once I have all of my batting in, I'm going to continue to sew up my pillow. In my opinion, it is a little more difficult once the batting is in. So some of you might want to put your batting a little later than I did just now. And just make sure that everything is still lined up once your batting is in, because that's a mistake that I kind of made before. So here I am, still going. Now, if you see that your pillow is kind of loose and you want to, you know, make it tighter, you can always pull it, and that is fine. I just pull my string a little bit and then I'll just adjust it. So right now I'm going to start pulling it after I sew these last ones, and then I'm just going to adjust it, and that's okay. It doesn't mess anything up at all. Okay, I am now at the end. So I am going to take this off. Ooh. So here I am. This is my pillow. So once you are done, you would like to cut it. You cut your piece, and then you want to put your ribbon. If you want, this is totally optional. You do not have to put the ribbon, but you could if you want to. So here's the ribbon. If you decide that you want to put your ribbon on, you can just tie it in the middle. You may have to twist this some. Let's see. Just to make a little bow. I thought it was a nice little touch. And oh, and as I mentioned, it's okay if you want to decorate it. Please, please, please send in your finished project to our to the Library Teens Department at yfs@riverheadlibrary.org. That is, of course, optional. You do not have to do that. And then I'm just going to cut the back part just so it doesn't hang. But here we are. And if you wanted to add a little decoration here, that's fine. If not, that's also fine. I hope you enjoyed, and I cannot wait to see all of your plush pillows. Bye-bye.